Hey, let's make a video.
Yeah, sure. Let's start with.
What topic do we make a video? Like I literally have nothing in my mind about talking about in this Saturday.
I suggest coronavirus.
How? Neil, literally, how can coronavirus be related to tech? How is it possible?
Haven't you read the news headlines?
Yeah, I almost read that, but hi, shit. MWC. Yes, MWC has been cancelled. Let's make this video on that topic. So hey guys, my name is Avneet Singh and you're watching Tech Milestone, and today we're gonna talk about the effect of coronavirus, a deadly virus on the in the field of technology, how it is impacted the technology. Let's start. So first of all, what I read today about the MWC getting cancelled was because of the coronavirus. One of the biggest and the most precious shows of smartphone industry, the Mobile World Congress, has been declared cancelled, as around 14 of the companies that were about to go and exit out the MWC just because of the coronavirus and about the threats that they thought that they will get because of the people coming from various countries and the virus getting shared and spread very vastly, so that their health is saved. So it also have an effect on Indian industry as well. All the imports from the China has been literally shut down. I won't say it has been gradually and slowly shut down, and currently whatsoever is being imported is first sent over to some other hub, then checked about the coronavirus, treated it, and then sent back to India. So it's long procedure and affects the common customers. Yes, the customers have been affected very much, because what I feel is that, so the customers have really been affected. They have to pay from their pocket the amount that they should not have paid if the coronavirus was not there. So coronavirus has been affecting the industry because most of the operations in China are closed out and no physical meetings are being done, only online work from home is being there. And the condition of coronavirus and the China has been terrible, with around 3,000 to 4,000 deaths that have been taken out on the recent data. And moreover, they are thinking of killing some people just because they can't be treated from the coronavirus and they want it not to spread. How to protect yourself? I suggest you, I know that it is not in the field of technology, but you should know. You should keep cover your mouth if you have some cough. If you sneeze, cover it with a tissue or a handkerchief, and make sure that whenever you go to a public place, avoid going to public place without a mask or without covering yourself, your face, your nose, your mouth. And also drink a healthy diet and avoid the seafoods and other foods that have been listed out by various scientists about carrying the coronavirus. So let's talk in the next tech update that's gonna be there on next Saturday, and we talk more. Be safe, be conscious. Till then, this is Avneet Singh signing off. Goodbye.